And finally, this evening, the South African rand is trading at approximately 18 rand 1 per USD, down from 1 week high of 17.95 cents after S&P Global Ratings upgraded the country's debt outlook. In contrast, the JSE index rose above 85,000, marking its fourth consecutive day of gains, driven by precious metals and mining sectors amid rising gold prices and falling US Treasury yields. In addition, investors are now focused on October's inflation data and the upcoming central bank policy decision. Financial expert Kabelo Tula shares insights on the market trends.
All share index is ever so slightly positive, currently 0.09% up on the day, led higher by resources and metals, which are following precious metals prices, the likes of gold and silver, which have rallied quite tremendously in the last 24 hours. Industrials, financials, and even property are weaker on the day. But what's really captured markets, apart from the anticipation of the interest rate decision on Thursday, markets are mostly weaker globally on the back of tensions that have escalated out in Russia, Ukraine, with certain missiles that are now hitting deep inside Russian territory. All of this has led to investors panicking really at this particular point and selling off global equities. Positively though, for the rand, we're hovering at the 18 rand mark, 1801 to be specific, despite the good rating received from the S&P Global Ratings agency on South Africa and South African debt. I think the markets are being weighed on and dragged lower by developments out on the eastern front in Ukraine and Russia. So a week that where we're expecting interest rate decisions to be positive for markets, unfortunately now being turned around on the back of geopolitical tensions.